ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आवर ट्रांजैक्शंस। ये जो ट्रांजैक्शन है आपकी रूटीन अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस के अंदर ऐसे ही ट्रांजैक्शंस आएंगे, मैच्योरिटी ऐसे ही ट्रांजैक्शन आएंगे, और इसके बाद के ट्रांजैक्शन बहुत रेयर एंड रेयर केस के अंदर आएंगे। बाकी सारी चीजें इसके अंदर कवर हो जाएगी। तो हम एक बार ये जो 10 पेजेस का पूरा डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है, उनके जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर है, उनकी जो भी प्रोसेस है, उन्होंने जिस हिसाब से कहा हुआ है कि आप ये सेटअप कीजिए, आप यहाँ पे ये डेबिट कीजिए, आप यहाँ पे ये एडजस्टमेंट कीजिए, या आप ये अकाउंट एक्टिव कीजिए, इनएक्टिव कीजिए, चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट के अंदर ये बनाइए, ये अकाउंट को बैलेंस शीट में ले जाइए, या ये अकाउंट को P&L में ले जाइए, और इसको ऑपरेशनल एक्सपेंस में ले जाइए। सो वॉट एवर दे आर सजेस्टिंग, वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू फॉलो दैट। और जैसे ये सारी चीज हो जाती है, then up good to go with any kind of bookkeeping or accounting for any companies, क्योंकि इसके अंदर सारी चीजें कंसिडर हो जाएगी A to Z। Okay, so let's Neha ji start with our first transaction, that is basic transactions। अब आपने कौन सी यूएस ओके ये ओपन करके रखा हुआ है ना? भूपेंद्र जी, आर यू अवेलेबल देयर?
यस सर, अभी तक तो
ओके फाइन देन। ओके, तो नेहा जी, ये जो ट्रांजेक्शन है, record owners initial investment of 50,000 into the business। अब ये आप कैसे रिकॉर्ड करोगे? करोगे क्विक बुक्स के अंदर।
कैश टू कैपिटल करके आएगा।
हाँ, ये आइदर कैश और दैट वुड बी बेटर इफ यू गो विद बैंक अकाउंट,
बैंक अकाउंट। ओके,
बैंक डिपॉजिट एंड देन।
सर आप कौन से ट्रांजैक्शंस की बात कर रहे
तो
हो?
जस्ट अ मिनट, डोंट यू हैव दैट 350 ट्रांजैक्शंस?
नो सर।
ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट, मैं व्हाट्सएप में भेज रहा हूँ। And Bhupendra ji, for your missing class, we are gonna arrange it during Saturday and Sunday. Most probably Saturday खत्म कर देंगे। ओके?
नहीं सर, चाहे चाहे जितना मर्जी टाइम लगा लेना, बट मुझे फिनिश करना है, मुझे मैच करनी है चीजें।
हाँ, श्योर श्योर, वैसे हम करेंगे।
हाँ।
सैटरडे संडे मैं भी अवेलेबल हूँ फुल डे।
ओके, तो आपकी
मतलब
आपकी रेस से इनको मैच करना है। आप आ जाते हो तो रेस और आगे चली जाएगी। कोई बात नहीं, देन वी विल डू इट टुगेदर।
नहीं हाँ मैडम, मेरा लॉस करवाने पे तो लो।
ना ना, आप
नहीं, मैं चाहती हूँ आप एक्स्ट्रा टाइम लगाओ ना।
एक बार ये पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाता है, देन वी कैन डू रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग। अगर ये ट्रांजैक्शन के अंदर भी कस्टमर एंड वेंडर सारी चीजें ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड है, सो इफ वी कंप्लीट दिस, सो दैट इज ऑलरेडी डन द प्रीवियस वन, भूपेंद्र जी, सो डोंट वरी। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नेहा जी।
जी। रिकॉर्ड द ओनर इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 50,000 टू द बिजनेस।
राइट, सो जब भी बैंक डिपॉजिट आया हुआ है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू थ्रू बैंक डिपॉजिट। Here we can create a new name।
ओके,
ये पर्टिकुलर पर्सन का नहीं।
कैपिटल अकाउंट।
नो नो, सी दिस इज नॉट चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट, जस्ट मिनट। ये देखिए, अकाउंट का जो बनाना है हमें चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट के अंदर, यहाँ पे पर्सन का नाम है, जैसे कि नेहा भल्ला 50,000 लेकर आए हुए हैं, सो दैट इज द नेम। बट नेक्स्ट टू दैट यू कैन सी द अकाउंट। अकाउंट जो लिखा हुआ है, दैट इज चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट। यहाँ पे आएगा इक्विटी अकाउंट।
ओके,
ओके, ऑनर्स इक्विटी।
ऑनर्स इक्विटी या ओपनिंग बैलेंस इक्विटी।
दैट्स नॉट द ओपनिंग बैलेंस ना, दैट्स द ऑनर्स
ओके
ओपनिंग।
ओके,
ओपनिंग
द
हम
प्रॉट।
अब यहाँ पे हमें नाम देना है कि, क्योंकि एक से ज्यादा भी ऑनर्स हो सकते हैं, सो वी कांट यूज द जस्ट ऑनर्स इक्विटी। सो हियर दैट द बेटर इफ यू राइट योर ओन नेम और एनी अदर नेम, जो हमें याद रहे, क्योंकि बीच में इसके ट्रांजेक्शन आएंगे।
ओके,
डन। ओके, अब यहाँ पे जो हमें है रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम, यहाँ पे हमें नाम लिखना है प्रॉपर। ये जो
ज़्यादा
रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम लिखा हुआ है ना, वहां पे आप नाम लिख लीजिए।
ओके
यू कैन क्रिएट अ न्यू नेम, दैट इज फाइन।
कस्टमर में शो कर रहा है।
अंदर नहीं, क्लिक कीजिए।
ओके
You can see customer, vendor, and employee. So you can just go with the employee. That would be better. Second दोनों जो यूज कर सकेंगे। Okay, now you need to select account. चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट। नेहा जी, जब भी अगर हम कोई भी ये चीज फिलअप करते हैं तो जस्ट मेक श्योर वी आर यूजिंग, मीन्स हम वन बाय वन हर एक फील्ड को फिलअप करें। ओके, यहाँ पे आपने कौन सा अकाउंट बनाया था? सागर। आप लिखिए मैन्युअली, आप लिखोगे तो ड्रॉप डाउन में सागर हो।
ओके
Okay, so this is our, we will see this name in balance sheet. Okay, now please record the amount. Okay, अब यहाँ पे जो मेमो लिखा है ना नीचे, ओके प्लीज क्लोज दिस ट्रांजेक्शन।
ओके इधर से सेवन क्लोज। अभी रिसेट में दिखेगा।
राइट, या फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन। अब जो हमारे पीडीएफ के अंदर लिखा हुआ है ना, रिकॉर्ड द ओनर्स इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 50,000 इनटू द बिजनेस, जस्ट वो कॉपी करके यहाँ पे मेमो में लिख दीजिए।
ये
कॉपी कीजिए और ना, कॉपी करके पेस्ट ही कर दीजिए ना सिंपली।
ओके ओके
ओके, और हाँ, डिस्क्रिप्शन जो आपने ऊपर लिखा हुआ है उसके अंदर फर्स्ट लेटर जो है वो कैपिटल रखना है। हाँ, डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर आपने जो लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम
ओके
अकाउंट
ओके
देन डिस्क्रिप्शन, आर जो है फर्स्ट वो हमें कैपिटल रखना
ओके
है। ये जब रिपोर्ट जनरेट होते हैं ना, तब क्या होता है कि अगर प्रॉपर्ली तो डिस्प्ले नहीं आती है। सो
करेक्ट
मेक श्योर वी फॉलो दैट। नाउ सेव एंड क्लोज। परचेज ऑफिस सप्लाई ऑन अकाउंट फॉर 1500।
इसका वो नहीं है, मतलब जैसे बाकी के वो था ना, मतलब क्वेश्चन के आंसर, क्वेश्चन के नीचे आंसर रहता था।
हाँ नहीं, इसके अंदर नहीं है वो, ये प्योरली ट्रांजेक्शन है। अब आप लोग इतने तो हो चुके हो कि आप कर सकते हो। ओके, ये परचेज ऑफिस सप्लाईज ऑन अकाउंट फॉर 1500। ऑन अकाउंट मीन्स दैट इज ऑन क्रेडिट। ओके, तो हमें एक वेंडर क्रिएट करना है, या तो कोई भी एग्जिस्टिंग वेंडर हो, उसके अंदर हमें ये बिल रिकॉर्ड करना है।
ओके
नेहा जी,
इन्वेंटरी आइटम ना।
no, 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 this is wrong. This is wrong.
ओके
Okay, please close this. Yeah,
Okay.
close it.
Okay. This one also?
या वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू, यहाँ ये लाइन आइटम भी डिलीट कर दीजिए.
Mm-hmm.
देखिए ये जो है ना कैटेगरी डिटेल्स, दैट इज
For chart of accounts.
हाँ राइट. आइटम एंड डिटेल्स जो है वो है प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज. तो ऑफिस सप्लाई क्या है? दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट. ओके.
Inventory of item.
So we have to create over here, and I think office supply is already there. When you type over there,
Not there.
okay, so we can create it. भूपेंद्र जी का लैपटॉप ऑफ हो गया, हो गया है.
Save and close.
ओके. तो जब भी हम बिल रिकॉर्ड करेंगे तो ये मेक श्योर कि अगर ऑपरेशनल एक्सपेंसेस है तो वो आएंगे कैटेगरी डिटेल्स के अंदर, और अगर सीओजीएस है तो वो आएंगे आइटम डिटेल्स, मतलब प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज के अंदर.
ठीक है.
ओके.
Okay. Okay. Save and close, right?
Done. That is fine.
Pay 2,000 in a rent for the office use. Office space.
ऑफिस स्पेस. ओके. तो ये क्या है? ऑलरेडी पे किया हुआ है. सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड चेक, मतलब ये बैंक में से पेमेंट हुआ है डायरेक्ट. So just we are going to record that expense rather than bill.
Okay.
Yeah, right. That's yes, right. And when you write office rent, so please use keep that R capital in your rent.
Okay.
Okay, so when you see, because when you see in a chart of accounts, they are using title case. I mean, uppercase.
Okay. That is 2,000. यहाँ पे ना इन्होंने ये नहीं लिखा, they didn't mention anything regarding like book का expense 2,000 for rent. यहाँ पे लिखा पे मतलब हुआ कि पेमेंट की एंट्री.
हाँ, तो हमने डायरेक्ट पेमेंट की एंट्री डाली ना. आपने जो एक्सपेंस बुक किया, प्लीज ओपन दैट लास्ट वन.
Okay. रेंट का नहीं आ रहा है.
Expense ABC Corporation. Yes. See here you have select bank account.
ओके. एक्सपेंस टू बैंक.
हाँ, तो जब भी एक्सपेंस आएगा तो उसके अंदर बैंक अकाउंट आएगा ही आएगा. तो जब बिल आता है तब वेंडर का नाम आता है.
ठीक है. ठीक
Okay?
है. ओके. Then receive 5,000 for the customer for the service rendered.
Okay, so received. We have already received and service rendered. So मतलब जो हमने सर्विस दी थी उसका हमें सीधा पेमेंट मिला हुआ है, तो हम डायरेक्ट सेल्स रिसिप्ट डाल देंगे। And a customer center, yes, right.
सही है।
That's fine. But अभी ये जो लिया हुआ है, I think this is that deferred revenue product, AMC product. So I would suggest कि कोई और select.
नॉर्मल सा रह रहे।
Yeah, that's fine. But yeah, you need to change the amount and everything.
Oh, sticks. Then pay 500 for utility bills.
Yeah, this is also expense.
Pay bills. Pay
Yeah.
bills.
Not pay bills. Pay.
What is?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the difference between bills and pay bills?
Pay bills. Bills means we are going to record the bills and then we will record another transaction for the payment.
Okay, this is for recording of the bill. This is for payment.
Yeah, this is only
AP.
for
Yeah.
direct expense. See, when we record bill, so what is the journal entry? Expense debit, vendor credit,
Debit to vendor.
right? And then when we make the payment, then debit to vendor, credit to bank.
Credit to bank.
So there are two transactions over there. When we record bills and make the payment, but here just straight away transaction. Pay
Then
500.
what about this check then? Check. Check word was there, no?
Yeah.
That is like, what is the meaning of that one? Check.
Check. It is about to make the payment to the vendor.
Pay bills.
Yeah, pay bills also you can consider into that. If you make the
Both are same function.
yeah, working in a same way.
Hmm.
Working in a same way. That's not much different. In a same way that.
Okay. Pay 500 for the utility bills.
Please use C and L in a capital format. Sorry to interrupt you, but this is the
No, it's
format.
okay. It's okay. It is good actually. It is a part of learning. 500. Okay.
Okay, now the concept is clear now. For the
Yeah.
category, it is chart of accounts and item is the product and services, inventory items.
Correct.
Sixth number, purchase equipment was 10,000, paying 4,000 cash and the rest on credit. तो अभी यहाँ पे क्या होगा? We need to book a bill of $10,000. Then we will make payment of $4,000 and 6,000 will remain under AP.
Okay. What is that? Okay.
Property.
It's fine.
No, actually, see, it is the main GL. That is the
Okay.
main GL. We can create another one. Yeah. Under the fixed assets. Okay, under click on fixed assets.
Machinery and equipment.
Yeah. And here you can write. Or yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's a good one. Now here you can mention that entire description. Purchase equipment was 10,000. The entire description you just need to copy and paste over here. Yeah, save and close. Which vendor you have selected? What is the name of that vendor?
I think ABC.
Okay, now what you need to do? You have recorded 10,000 of purchase of equipment, but now we have to record payment of 4,000 also. So for that, what we need to do? We need to go to the vendor center.
Pay bills.
Yeah, so right.
If you are going check,
No, check.
we can try.
Yeah, you can go with that. Open it. Let me explain the difference between when you record check over here. So this amount is not going to be settled against that open bill.
Okay, why?
Because there is no link over here for that.
Okay, but both are functioning same way, but
Entries are same, but for aging,
mapping it will not show.
yeah, mapping it will also. To map it, we have to do that again. We have to use that old formula. Like make a
Okay.
bill payment and then select that credit and adjust against the bill, and then we have to save. Now here you can select no, you can select payment account,
Payment amount.
or the best way is just go to the expenses. Please come out from this. No, not from here. Please close it. On the left side you can see expense,
Here.
right? Under that you can see vendor. Okay, when you click on it, then you can see all the vendors over here. Now, under the ABC Corporation, you can just click on make payment on the right side.
Okay.
Then now here you can see all the bills. So from here you can untick all and select only one where you need to make 4,000.
Out of that, we need to pay 4,000 now.
Yeah, so what you need to do is you need to write only 4,000 here. That's it. Okay, amount to apply 4,000. Save and close.
Okay. This option here, this side is fine actually.
Yeah, this is also available here.
Bills means for the recording,
Yeah,
for the vendors particularly, and this is for expense. This
expense to
is for
bank.
payment.
Yeah, expense to vendor. Okay, so these are the three kind of transactions. Either when you record expense, so expense debit, bank credit. When you go with the bills, so expense debit and vendor credit.
Vendor credit.
And when you go to the vendor and make the payment, the vendor debit and bank credit. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Okay, then record the depreciation expense of $1,000 for the equipment.
right.
Depreciation expense.
No, you can't use expense for that. That's not depreciation.
JV.
Yeah, so for that we need to use JV.
JV where it is showing here. Okay.
Also, you need to create that amortization account. Amortization
Amortization
only
is
one
there, I
account,
think.
equipment, right? That is also that is already available in that.
Yeah, yeah, here it is. No?
Hmm. That's it, yeah. You know the
Mm.
amortization. Yeah, you can see it. And here you can write what was the name of that crane?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
so you can write here
Mm.
crane. That was crane or cranes? What was that?
Trains maybe.
Save and close.
Like here we need to select a sub account or this
Not
one only crane?
required. Not required.
Okay.
Another account is already using the same name. Please use a different name. Okay, so Grand Des AMO. You can write over there.
Sorry.
Space.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then Des. Just a Des.
Crane?
No, no, no. What I'm saying.
Hmm.
Can I have access of?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Hmm. Okay. Okay, dash. Okay. 1000.
Now you can debit that 1,000 and credit that. Please make sure to copy and paste the line item into this.
Main account will not show here.
Yeah, yeah, you need to actually you wrote the wrong word. Yeah, that's right.
No need to mention vendor
Yeah,
or
no
I
need
need
to
to
mention
mention.
anything.
Okay, that is enough.
Just save and close.
7 colors. Okay.
Now let's go to the reports and balance sheet. Let's check the effect, how it looks like. Please change the date. It's
Maybe.
fine. Just a minute. Let me fix it. So now onwards, let me fix it. Customize. When we go, okay, see what we can customize. Uh, the window is not showing. Yeah, click on customize. How it is. They are not allowing to change anything for me. Okay. Anyways, let's from here. Or what we can do this year to wait. Save customize. There's a fixed assets. Price.
इतना बड़ा अमाउंट ये कहाँ से आ गया?
Which one?
7654811.
Account receivable. There must be one transaction over there.
Maybe previous balance is continuing.
हाँ वो एक ओपनिंग बैलेंस डाला था ना that one. Okay, so now here you can see the 9,000 this one and 1,000 amortization.
Yeah, yeah.
But do you really think that this transaction is a good one?
This depreciation one.
Yeah.
This transaction is again normal only.
Let me show
Under
you.
the JV, we need to pass.
This JV, we have to debit expense and credit amortization. Using this transaction, there is no effect in P&L.
Amortization P&L account.
There must be one account in a प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट आप एक्सपेंस डेप्रिसिएशन कैसे बुक करोगे इट शुड बी देयर ना इन P&L
Amortization P&L में नहीं था.
नहीं था amortization जो था वो इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ बैलेंस शीट
फिक्स एसेट था. ओके.
हाँ
अगर
इट्स
उधर
पार्ट ऑफ
था तो
बैलेंस शीट
नहीं है.
so please create this depreciation under
Expense.
yeah under expense ऊपर गया depreciation if I'm not wrong no it's not there operational expense we can consider other general and admin expenses
Okay.
yes right okay that's fine then.
Okay.
Okay, so इससे क्या हुआ depreciation डेबिट हुआ और amortization क्रेडिट हुआ now please close it now go back no here you can
Here.
go back
PDF.
no go back summary here on top left
Okay.
now you can see the actual result current that was 10,000 and depreciation amortization 1,000 okay so net balance is 9,000 now
Before that, it was showing 9.
before it was showing 9 over here and 1 plus 1
10.
over here and 10,000 was here okay so that was the problem
Correct. Okay. Pay $3,000 for employee salaries. Okay. तो पे करना है तो एक्सपेंस बना देंगे. इसका डाल दें सैलरी या नया कोई एम्प्लॉय क्रिएट करना है. ही इज ऑनर राइट.
No, yeah, that is 3,000 for employee salary. What we need
So
to
do I need to create?
we just need to create one expense entry, the check entry, employee salary, and just either any name. Yeah, you can use it.
Did any of the name?
Yeah, any name you can.
If I am choosing here this one, no, here two options are only coming.
Yeah, for the expenses, so you can go direct with the check.
No need to mention anything.
No. No, what I'm saying, Nehaji, you can for the expense in the terms of vendor related expenses or some kind of we can say utility bills related expenses, you can use this expense form. But when it comes to payment, then you can use that check option. जैसे कि हम कहते हैं ना कि किसी का हमको बिल नहीं आने वाला है वी आर नॉट गोइंग गेट देयर बिल्स और इनवॉइसेस
Okay.
एंड वी आर इशूइंग चेक टू देम तो वैसे केसेस हम ये यूज कर सकते हैं सो नाउ हियर यू कैन क्रिएट एनी एम्प्लॉय नेम
Here also only two options are coming. Where we checked the three options, employees were also there.
Just a minute. Let me check it.
Payroll entries then. There we can't pass.
No, just a minute. Here are the customers, vendors, teams. Okay, so add employee. There, let's go with the team. Add employee. We have added that person as an employee, right? That main one.
No, noted.
No.
Sagar we have added as employee.
Yes, right. These are the payroll agency, paycheck, food store, one EDP, and input from spreadsheet. So here we are going to add manually. Now here you can write the name. We need to mention the email ID. No. There,
Everything is
I have date
valid.
also. You can today's date and please untick this one.
Okay.
Now go to the employee center and let's make payment.
This option you got from here, right? Payroll.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you're
Employees.
seeing that transaction. Now go here. What was the name?
Priya.
Is it coming?
Showing, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now here you can select the chart of account category like a payroll expense or anything.
We need to change the account over there. The balance is showing negative actually. Cash and equivalents.
Yeah, that should be checking.
Generally, like, okay. There is no alert like this cash and cash equivalent is showing negative.
No, no, no. Cash and cash equivalent balance account, that is the main head of account. Under
Okay.
that, all checking account and saving accounts and other accounts, those are coming under that.
Okay, okay. 3,000.
Okay, so these are the
Okay.
things how we record transaction for employee. And also we can run payroll from here. जब हम पूरा पेरोल का ये यूज मॉड्यूल वर्कआउट करेंगे एट दैट टाइम आई विल शो यू हाउ द एंटायर पेरोल वर्क्स एम्प्लॉय ऐड करना तो हमें पता चल गया ठीक है देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कि एम्प्लॉय डिटेल्स वगैरह कैसे थे जॉब टाइटल वगैरह हम डाल सकते हैं एलिजिबिलिटी एंड टैक्स विड्रॉलिंग स्टेटस एंड एवरीथिंग वी हैव टू मेंशन ओवर हियर okay so I will go through with that after this.
Okay. Okay.
Receive
Then
advice for 2500 from a vendor for inventory purchase. Now you need to record which transaction you are going to record for this.
it is like invoice we received
Yeah,
for
invoice
the
bills we have
bill
received.
booking.
Yeah, bill book, okay. And it is inventory purchase. So just make sure you
Yes.
use inventory module rather than direct that chart of accounts.
Get it. Okay. Record a customer payment of 7,500 for the services to be provided next month.
Record customer payment of supplies
Advance.
or services to be provided next month. So that is deferred revenue. Got it?
Yeah. Receive payment.
Yeah. So you are going to record payment. Just what does it say? It is record of payment, customer payment of some. Okay, so that's the advance payment. You can just put as an advance rather than bill. I mean invoice. Okay,
So
just
it's fine, right? Receive payment.
yeah, receive payment is fine, but receive payment. See, please go to the customer center. Let me explain the option how it works. All when we go to the cells, and if we have just a minute. See, invoice means regular invoices which we are recording. Multiple invoices, if we are raising more than one invoice to the customer for the same customer, so we can use that model. Payment. Payment means we have received payment against particular invoice. So we will go with payment. Estimate, it's a kind of sales order. Okay, and credit memo means the credits and everything. And delay charge, if the customer is not paying on a time, so we can use that delay charge. Time activity. Time activity is a kind of construction business, and our employees are spending time on them for the customer. So using the time activities, we can create entire time activity, and then we can create single invoice on a base of that activities. Okay. Whatever the number of hours they are spent, on a base of that, we can create the invoice. Now, for the customer or the advance payment, we have to use bank deposit. And under the bank deposit, we have to select customer name. And what we have to do here, account reference bank deposit, which account deposit, okay, so we receive under which account we are going to make the deposit. So we have received deposit into this bank account,
Okay.
and received from which company. So we are going to select the first one, that is we have received from ABC Corporation. Okay. Now see, this is just a name, but
Yeah.
did account receivable or accounts payable, we have to select from here. Okay, so here you have to select accounts.
Deferred.
Okay. No. This is just what we are going to do. We are recording transaction of advance payment, nothing else. Okay, here we can mention we have received two check and amount is 7500, right?
Amount is, yeah.
Okay. Just a minute. I need to open something. Save and close. So this is just
Yeah.
payment which we have received from ABC Corporation, and this will be showing as an out open payment.
Yeah.
This is
Correct.
not existed again any invoices. Please save and close it. Okay. Now when you go to the report, please open
Okay.
that. Yeah, please open that report.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go to the AIG.
Short form is
Just
done.
write aging, so you will get AR. Yeah. Okay, so you can see 7500 over here. That's the advance payment.
Okay. Yeah.
Just see, Nehaji, let's clear our basic fundamental. When we receive payment, talking about particular for the customer sector, when we receive payment from the customers as an advance, so we have to use as a bank deposit. Reason behind that, we don't know against which invoice we have received this payment, because invoice is not there. Okay,
Correct.
so in that case, we are going to use bank deposit. But
Okay.
invoice is already raised and we have received payment against that. So in that scenario, we are going to use received payment. Why we are going to use received payment? Reason behind that, that payment gonna link up with a particular invoice.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, so when we use bank deposit, when we don't know the invoice number or invoice details, or either it is advance payment or we don't know the invoice reference number.
Yeah.
Okay, so we use
Yeah.
bank deposit in that case, but if we aware about the invoice number, so we in that case we use receive payment. Okay, so there are only two scenarios
Okay.
for you, the bank deposit and receive payment. We
Mm-hmm.
record receive payment when we know about invoice, but we don't know about invoice, we use bank deposit. That's it. Okay, now please allow me a couple of minutes. I'm just coming back.
Yeah.
Till then, you
Yeah.
can proceed with your transaction. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
thank you. Yeah, Neha ji.
Yes, yes.
So what was our... Okay, so now let's go with the advanced transaction. Record purchase of vehicle for 20,000, paying 5,000 cash and financing the rest. Please try to understand the line. There are three.
First, we will record the transaction of this one, vehicle purchase.
There are total three
Then,
transactions into this.
correct.
The first one is to record bill of 20,000 for the vehicle purchase, then bank payment of 5,000 and financing the rest. That means finance company means loan.
Loan.
Right. Okay. So please proceed and record this three transaction.
It's fine. Messi, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. You have recorded transaction of 20,000. Okay.
Hmm.
And you
You
need to,
seen, right? It's
yeah,
fine.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Let me open QB here also.
Cash.
अगर हमें ये ऐसा नहीं करना हो, सी अभी अभी कैसा है कि हमारे पास आपको पता है कि इसका पेमेंट ये है, सो रादर देन डूइंग दिस, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू गो डायरेक्ट टू द एक्सपेंस एंड वेंडर्स। और वहां पे
Payment.
हाँ, जैसे कस्टमर में कैसा सिंपली होता है वैसा वेंडर के अंदर भी होता है। So just go to the expense and vendors. And what was that vendor XYZ? Right, make payment.
This is a main account, right?
Yeah.
What this is? Oh, this
You
is
can see let's say 1010. Yes. This is one account for all, so that's fine.
okay. Now third, we need to finance the rest. Finance the rest means our entry
You need to create
go through.
one chart of account GL loan for assets. Okay, loan for vehicle. What you need to do? You need to create liability of 15,000 and you need to adjust that 15,000 against the vendor bill. Okay, और ये ट्रांजेक्शन करने के लिए you have to use journal entry. So पहला ट्रांजेक्शन क्या होगा? First of all, we will have to do bank deposit. No, first we have to do bank deposit. क्योंकि बैंक में पैसा आएगा फाइनेंस कंपनी से 15,000, right? So what we will do? Bank debit and finance company credit.
Okay.
Please do one thing. Let me open Excel and let me share my screen just for this purpose. So that would be really helpful to understand.
Sure.
Okay, so we are following this transaction. विंडो ऊपर क्यों नहीं जा रही? फर्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन क्या होगा कि we have to record bill of 20,000. That's the purchase of vehicle. Okay, so vehicle that's the assets. Okay, that gonna be debit.
Yep. Okay.
So here we have a debit 20,000 and we have credited that vendor account, whoever it is. Okay, so here this is the one transaction, the first transaction. Now the second transaction is we have made payment of 5,000. So here we are going to record vendor account debit with 5,000 and bank account credit with 5,000. Are you following me?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the things. Now third transaction is we got finance from the finance company to make the payment of 15,000. 20,000 minus 5,000, 15,000 we have to make it. So the vendor account debit with 15,000 and loan for vehicle, right? 15,000. We need to record these three transactions. The first one is for the payment, and how we gonna record this transaction? Using bill module, bill entry. Now the payment which we have record this, so this is kind of X. This is the bill payment. Okay. Now vendor account. Just a minute. Before this, we have to record one more transaction. Na? We got money in our bank account. So bank account debit, that is 15,000, and what we say, loan for vehicle is the payable account. We are going to credit this. Now, what we have to do? We got 15,000 and we have loan. Now here fourth number vendor account debit. ये जो पैसा मिला हमने किसको दिया हुआ है? To the vendor.
To bank.
No, the payment which we have received that is into bank. But now we are going to make this payment to the vendor ना. हमें vendor को in total कितना देना है? 20,000. सी तो फर्स्ट एराइज, हमें बिल मिला है तो हमने बिल रिकॉर्ड किया 20,000 का, जो बिल मॉड्यूल हमने यूज किया। सेकंड, हमने उनको 5,000 का ऑन अकाउंट पेमेंट दिया तो हमने वो रिकॉर्ड किया। बाकी का 15,000 पेमेंट हमें चाहिए था तो उसके लिए हमने बैंक से लोन लिया, तो फाइनेंस कंपनी से लोन ली। तो फाइनेंस कंपनी डायरेक्ट वेंडर को पेमेंट तो नहीं करेगी, वो तो हमें बैंक में, हमारे बैंक में पेमेंट देगी फर्स्ट, राइट। सो वी गॉट
Yeah.
बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट एंड लोन अकाउंट क्रेडिट। अब इसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे बैंक डिपॉजिट, क्योंकि ये पेमेंट जो है वो किसके सामने है वो हमें पता है, पर पर्टिकुलर बिल के सामने इसको नहीं डाल सकते ना। ये इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ बैंक डिपॉजिट। बैंक डिपॉजिट तो आ चुकी, अब हमने वेंडर को पेमेंट किया ये बैंक अकाउंट से, तो हियर वी कैन यूज बिल पेमेंट ऑप्शन। तो व्हाट इज तो अब यहाँ पे अगर हम अकाउंट क्लियर देखते हैं तो वेंडर का अकाउंट 20,000 था, उसके सामने हमने वेंडर डेबिट, वेंडर डेबिट, ओके, ये अपना हो गया 20,000 नील, राइट। 20,000 का बिल था, हमने 15 5 और 15 20,000 का पेमेंट कर दिया। हमें लोन मिला 15,000 का, हमने लोन भी 15,000 पे खड़ा कर दिया।
ठीक।
अभी ओके।
Yes, yes.
ओके, सो हियर वी हैव टू रिकॉर्ड इन टोटल 4 ट्रांजैक्शन। पहला आपने बिल रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है एंड 5,000 का आपने पेमेंट भी रिकॉर्ड कर दिया, ठीक है।
बैंक में पैसा लेके आना है और उसके
हाँ,
बाद पे करना है।
राइट, सो वी हैव टू रिकॉर्ड 3 एंड 4 ट्रांजैक्शन, सारे ट्रांजैक्शन ऐसे ही है। सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग कि एक बार ये पड़ाव पार हो जाता है देन वी आर गुड टू गो। ओके, कहने के लिए एक छोटी लाइन है बट इट्स अ बिग वन।
Correct.
ओके, नाउ यू कैन शेयर योर स्क्रीन प्लीज।
Yeah. Host is not allowing.
नाउ यू कैन ट्राई, लेट्स स्टॉप मैसेज।
Okay. तो जेबी में नहीं जाएंगे। बैंक डिपॉजिट में जाएंगे।
राइट, आप क्विक बुक्स आपका शो नहीं हो रहा है, आपने मेरे को स्क्रीन शेयर की है।
नहीं हो रहा शो?
नहीं,
मेरे को तो आ रहा है यूएस स्क्रीन शेयरिंग।
स्क्रीन शेयर हुआ है बट आपका डेस्कटॉप शेयर हुआ है फोल्डर।
One second. अभी
नो, आई कांट सी दैट। When you click on share, you are getting multiple windows, right?
yeah, I selected this one only, like this one. Umesh book. No, I selected wrong actually. It should be here. Okay. Fine now.
Yeah, now that's fine. Okay, now हम बैंक डिपॉजिट यूज करेंगे। अब 1010 के अंदर बैंक डिपॉजिट लेके आइए।
रिसीप्ट फॉर्म पूछ रहा
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे आप लिख दीजिए कुछ भी नाम वगैरह।
है। और करना नहीं है इसको
What?
लोन का।
हाँ, तो ये होगा ना, सी व्हेन यू गो, यहाँ पे नाम लिखना है कि कौन सी बैंक में। सपोज हमको वेल्स फार्गो में से पैसा मिला हुआ है, ठीक है। सो व्हाट वी गोना डू, हमें पहले नाम तो लिखना पड़ेगा ना, वेल्स फार्गो। उसके बाद अकाउंट जो है वहां पे हमें चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट का अकाउंट का नाम देना है।
मेरी कहने का मतलब ये है कि यहाँ पे अगर हमें देखो बैंक तो ऑलरेडी सिलेक्ट है ही है यहाँ पे।
हाँ, ये बैंक डेबिट हो गया, ठीक है।
हाँ बैंक डेबिट हो गया। अभी रिसीप्ट फ्रॉम में बस हमें वो लेना है ना, लोन फ्रॉम।
नहीं, वो अकाउंट के अंदर आएगा। अकाउंट, रिसिप्ट को
ओके
अकाउंट जो है दैट इज लिंक अप विद चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट्स।
ओके, रिसीट फ्रॉम जर्नल।
हाँ, देयर इज जर्नल नाम है, जो कॉमन जो नेम होता है कोई भी, जैसे कि मैं कह रहा हूँ वेल्स फार्गो से अगर पेमेंट आया हुआ है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड वेल्स फार्गो द नेम।
ओके।
हियर वी नीड टू सिलेक्ट वेंडर, राइट? जस्ट गिव वेल्स फार्गो, WELLS फार्गो, FORGO, राइट?
ओके, देन here we need to add the account is there.
कैपिटल करना है हमको।
क्या?
एल जो है लोन का, एल कैपिटल करेंगे हम।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, वो तो है। अभी इसको हम करंट से पे करना है
नो, सी दिस इज
कि लॉन्ग टर्म?
long term or short term, you can, or you can create current liabilities also.
हम्म।
Okay, loan payable, and here we can write the name, loan for vehicle, or loan from that Wells Fargo also.
Okay, now 15,000 will keep
Yeah,
as the amount.
15,000. Well, you got the point. We have received payment from finance company in our bank account.
Yeah.
Yes, and now save and close. तो हमें जो पेमेंट मिला हुआ है, we are going to make
किससे लिया था?
was that पेमेंट तो हमने वेल्स फार्गो से लिया था, but
व्हीकल।
right, just go a bit, little bit on the right side.
This
And
one payment
yeah,
option.
you can click, that's the, यहाँ पे आपको चेक करना है।
Check.
कौन सा पेमेंट है ये? 15,000 का जो पेंडिंग है ना वो।
अच्छा।
So just add it. Okay, see now you have selected check option, but now it becomes bill payment on a left top,
Yeah.
right? And
Because we are selected under vendor, that's why.
yes, that is why. Okay, now
Okay,
just
then
click save and close.
okay. Now issue a refund of 200 to the vendor for the returned goods. अभी कस्टमर को पे करना है हमें।
Right, customer
एक तो मेमो दे सकते हैं, और ये बैंक का एंट्री है। रिफंड लिखा है वैसे तो।
रिफंड लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है। सो दैट मीन्स हमने बैंक से जो हमें ऑलरेडी रिटर्न गुड्स मिल चुका था, उसका हम उनको रिफंड कर रहे हैं। तो जब भी हमें रिटर्न मिला होगा गुड्स, हमने एक एंट्री डाली होगी क्रेडिट मेमो की। ओके, और नाउ
ओके।
व्हेन वी मेक पेमेंट यूजिंग चेक, तो हम ये 200, अब कस्टमर को पेमेंट करना है तो हम कैसे करेंगे? उनको चेक ही इश्यू करेंगे इन टर्म्स। ओके,
Yeah.
so in this scenario you can select check. No,
कस्टमर्स में
not
जाके
from here on left top. न्यू ट्रांजेक्शन हमने सीधा चेक ही इश्यू किया हुआ है उनको.
किधर?
Under the vendor, you can see the second one.
ओके, चेक. रिफंड रिसिप्ट, नो दिस इज डिफरेंट.
ठीक है, हम किसको पे कर रहे हैं तो वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. एंड जस्ट अ मिनट, प्लीज स्क्रॉल डाउन.
कस्टमर,
प्लीज,
कस्टमर, या
नेहा जी प्लीज स्क्रॉल डाउन.
या
बट इसके अंदर सी वी कैन नॉट.
मेक आउट.
जस्ट क्या है रिटर्न कोर्स. ओके, so you are seeing category. Are you able to see the product and services also in this window? Please go down.
या.
Okay, so from here you can just add. On top you can select customer name.
हम्म.
You can select any customer.
ओके. हियर.
Yeah, any services you can mention or inventory kind of.
Is that 10 or 20? Okay.
You need to mention customer name also here on the right side. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you the reason. When we run report of stationery under staples, so at that time we can see the name of customer also. That is why. That is the reason you can mention in the name.
Okay.
Okay.
Pay 1,200 for the insurance for the next 6 months.
Now that's your turn. What is that? You can write you can set as per your requirement.
The vendor name, nothing is mentioned. Okay. ये वैसे लिखा था पे करने का, मैंने उसका इनवॉइस क्रिएट कर दिया। सही है। Misty, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Sorry, actually,
Okay.
what I'm saying,
Yeah. Hmm.
the
I
transaction.
have created the recurring invoice for this one.
But invoice, why did you create invoice? Please give me access of your system.
पे करना है ना?
Oh, so for the payment we have to record bill ना?
मीन्स बिल ही क्रिएट किया मैंने।
Just a minute. What you have recorded? Let me check it.
हाँ। हम्म।
Which one?
क्या इंश्योरेंस का था? इंश्योरेंस का कुछ कंपनी में बनाया था, कुछ LIC करके।
Yeah, under the LI you have created vendor's
अंडर
income.
एक्सपेंस या बिल्स LIC, this one insurance third one. But why amount is showing nil? Recurring invoice create किया मैंने।
That's not, that shouldn't be recording invoice ना?
हाँ।
See, we have to first of all यहाँ पे mention किया हुआ है कि just pay
पे
100 for insert for the next 6 months. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो ये क्या हुआ कि एक प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस हुआ कि जो 6 महीने के लिए हमने एडवांस में पेमेंट किया हुआ है. ओके, और द नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ मतलब 6 महीने के लिए हमने एडवांस में पेमेंट किया. ओके.
ओके।
और
हाँ।
दूसरी चीज हमारे पास ऐसा नहीं कहा गया कि बिल आया हुआ है. इट सेज कि पेमेंट किया है. वी हैव टू डू जस्ट फ्रॉम द ट्रांजैक्शंस, नॉट द एक्सपेंस. हम चेक भी रेज करेंगे कि हमने ये वेंडर को पेमेंट किया तो किस चीज के लिए किया है. तो वी हैव मेड, यहाँ पे आएगा प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस और इंश्योरेंस. ओके, बट अंडर प्रीपेड.
ओके।
Prepaid insurance, that is paid for how many months? That's for 6 months. Paid 24 is about 6 months. If that is this is save and close. अब ये इसकी इफेक्ट क्या होगी कि बैलेंस शीट के अंदर ये प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस के अंडर में जाके शो होगा.
करेक्ट।
ओके, गॉट इट.
सही। यस यस।
Now record 1500 loan received from the bank.
बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू लोन फ्रॉम बैंक करके।
Yeah, received from the bank. Okay, so just there's
तो
a,
बैंक डिपॉजिट में देना है?
yeah, bank deposit. Yeah, perfect.
कितने का है ये? 1500। इधर में और कौन सा option?
No, that's not prepaid expense payable. We have received loans. Okay, so you must have option of loan payable. This one,
Okay, okay.
right? Please click on it and proceed. Right. See, Neha ji, your concept for the accounting is totally clear. You are just confused about which option need to be selected when. That is the issue. Okay, बाकी सब जो है वो clear है and few of them are can be done on a practical basis. So don't worry about it. I can see on your face you are in a time, so don't worry about it. PLC Bank, from where you got the loan of 1,500. Now there's a transaction of 600 payment of interest on a loan.
अभी पे करना है.
Right. It's just a write down the check. Expense bill payment always belongs to the regular supplier bills or a vendor. Okay, expense bill and bill payment belongs to the regular suppliers or to the utility bills or the operational expenses vendor. Okay.
Okay.
And check, it is for abnormal items which are not our routine expenses. Okay, so you can use check into that.
Record a bad debts expense of 300.
Right. So what you gonna do in this case?
The sales, any option is there?
No, I'm not under the sales. It's a purely bad debt. So we can consider कि पुराने कोई customers थे जिनका payment नहीं आ रहा है. So bad debt is just a simply expense, bad debt debit and customer credit. How you gonna go with the expense? That is a part of journal entry ना.
Okay.
Expense तो कैसा कि अगर हमारा regular expense है तो आएगा ना. There's the see bad debts,
जी.
as you know, that is either year-end entry or monthly adjustment entry. Okay, and so for that we are using journal entry every time. Here you can create new account, bad debts. When you see account as a title, so please note that that is chart of account, GL.
Okay.
Here you can select expenses.
Provision for bad debts or direct AR?
Yeah, we can just you can select account receivable, and
Okay.
here you need to select name. Until and unless you
Mm,
are not going to select this, then the transaction is not going to be saved.
okay.
But have to select the name. Now save and close.
Okay. Then adjust for $500 for the prepaid expenses used during the month.
Prepaid expenses being okay. So you know how this is month end adjustment entry, and for each
Hmm.
adjustment entry we have to use journal entry. So this is simply uh,
Hmm.
journal expense debit and prepaid expense credit, right? Did you get this transaction or not?
Used like they are telling first we had the prepaid, we already paid that expense. Now we need to adjust that, we need to debit the expense account like that.
Right. You can select insurance account now, for which we have already paid that we paid. You remember we have recorded 1200 for 6 months.
Hmm.
So just a year you need to select insurance. No, no, the first one, yes, there's the expense account. We have to debit.
Expense account.
Yeah, expense
Hmm.
account we have to debit, and current assets account we have to credit. That is prepaid itself. Yes. Okay, and here we have to mention that manner.
Hmm. When the thing will come or need to mention?
No, not required.
Okay.
Let me tell you why it is not required. Because
Hmm.
when you run prepaid insurance expense, okay,
Hmm.
so there is nothing to do with this. Because when we
Okay.
record this, the bill, at that
Hmm.
time we have debited prepaid expense and credited vendor account.
Hmm.
Okay, so when we run prepaid expense report, we already get vendor's name, so no need to mention here.
Okay.
Okay, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि इसके अंदर एक से ज्यादा भी वेंडर्स की एंट्रीज हो, तो हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन which transaction belongs to which vendor?
नहीं, वो वैसे बेटर ही है कि मेंशन करना।
Sorry,
बेटर ही है कि अगर हम मेंशन भी कर दे तो।
but how would you know कि ये जो 500 है वो एक ही, see you have paid prepaid expense to 4 companies. Now
हम्म।
you are recognizing that accumulated amount for the particular month.
हम्म।
आपको पता है तो आप अगर सिंगल सिंगल लाइन आइटम करके अगर नाम मेंशन करते हो सो दैट इज फाइन, बट इफ
हम्म।
डोंट नो सो द बेटर वे इज टू लीव इट। क्योंकि अगर
ओके।
फिर रिकंसिलिएशन करने बैठेंगे और हम देखेंगे कि हमने कंपनी को सिर्फ 1200 पे किए थे, तो इसके
हम्म।
1800 क्यों हमने रिकॉग्नाइज कर लिए हुए हैं। तो एट द टाइम वी डोंट नो, क्योंकि दूसरे कंपनी के भी अकाउंट अमाउंट उसके अंदर आ जाएगी ना, दैट्स व्हाई।
ओके।
Okay, so that is if you would like to assign, then you can do it. But as of now, we know कि
हम्म।
LIC का है, that's why.
ओके। देन है पे $800 इन अ सेल्स टैक्स कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द कस्टमर।
Do you know there are two entries into this?
हाँ, पहले कस्टमर से पैसा आया है, वो बैंक से वो दिखा के कस्टमर को क्रेडिट करेंगे।
So the first transaction is, we can go straight forward also. Uh, Sales tax liability we have to create with $800.
हम्म। बट यहाँ पे लिखा है तो आप क्यों इसको एक्सपेंस पहले बुक करना चाहते हैं?
No, no, I'm not recording expense. First, we
हम्म।
are going to create a sales tax liability of 800, and then
हम्म।
we will reduce that liability with 800. और यहाँ पे अगर single transaction record करना है, then pay 800 in sales tax collected from the customers. So here we can record simply transaction from the bank, and it's a check sales tax payment, and we can add that under our liability account.
कस्टमर टू बैंक नहीं कर सकते यहाँ पे हम, क्योंकि कस्टमर से लिया वैसा, कस्टमर हमारा पहले बैंक टू कस्टमर आया, तो अभी कस्टमर का ही पैसा हम पे कर रहे हैं, तो कस्टमर टू बैंक.
Then you are saying the to bank and by customer, right? The first transaction. But this is here we are paying to the sales tax department. So what you can do, you can record that first transaction, and after that the second transaction to sales tax expense and by bank.
बाय बैंक.
Right? So you can do the transaction also. First, we will record a bank deposit from the customer. Rather than bank deposit, we have to, because we never receive sales tax in a separate way. We every time we get that along with the invoices. Right? Invoice के साथ में ही रहता है, वैसे तो कभी आता नहीं. So the better way is to write the check and pay the sales liability, nothing else.
Okay.
Okay, so please create that check. And reduce the sales tax liability.
कस्टमर से
Yep, done. Just enter the amount and close it and add the memo.
इसमें हमने करा क्या है, चेक में जाके
अपने चेक में जाकर सेल्स टैक्स का जो पेमेंट था वो आपने पेमेंट किया.
सेल्स टैक्स टू बैंक किया.
हाँ, सेल्स टैक्स टू बैंक.
ओके. कलेक्टेड फॉर कस्टमर का एंट्री अभी पेंडिंग है ना.
No, customer can be, see if you like to, but for the customers, we are not getting sales tax separately. We always we get that along with the invoices. So that is the reason we are not recording separate transaction for that.
ओके. ओके, अंडरस्टूड.
The sales tax which you have paid. Okay.
या.
Now let's go with write-off absolute inventory worth 400.
जेबी पास करेंगे इसका.
Yeah, just the JV. Okay, nice. Perfect, got it. We're gonna debit COGS.
ओके.
No, no, no. Here we are going to assign our inventory account. That is balance sheet account. Yeah, you can.
इसमें पेरेंट का अकाउंट कौन सा है इन्वेंटरी वाला
Yeah, you can take it any of one. Not an issue. क्योंकि वो account हम जैसे मैनेज नहीं कर रहे, so that's why. Okay, so
ओके
that is
ओके
simple. ये क्या किया आपने फॉरनर का जो हमारा इन्वेंटरी था वो उतने से कम कर दिया.
कम कर दिया
जस्ट 7 things. धीमे धीमे रिकॉग्नाइज हो जाएगा कि कौन से ट्रांजेक्शन कैसे रिकॉर्ड होते हैं. रिकॉर्ड पेमेंट ऑफ 1000 फॉर प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज.
तो अभी ये रूटीन का खर्चा नहीं है
सॉरी.
एक ये अभी हमें पेमेंट रिकॉर्ड करना है ना इसका
राइट राइट
ये
राइट.
चेक के थ्रू जाएगा
परफेक्ट.
अभी इसका एक इन्फोसिस का था इधर
डन. ये
इसमें
और
तो
गुजराती
बहुत
में से डन छे. Yep, that's good.
ठीक है बस आज के लिए बहुत हो गया मुझे एक्चुअली एक बार देखना